What's up YouTube? This is All Things Quick. Just making a quick tutorial guide on how to open a hood latch that's stuck on a 2003 Audi A4 1.8 Turbo Quattro. This is a very easy job, and the only tools that you'll need is a jack to jack up your car to a good height so that you can get underneath the front end. You need a jack stand just for safety measures. I mean, use it at your own risk if you're not using one. It's more of a safety thing, preference. I know I personally don't care, but I know a lot of people do, that you should anyways. It's good practice. Also, you'll need a extension or a small pry bar about this size though. You want it to be about the length of the front end of your car height wise. Now all there is to do is just jack up the car and put the jack stand underneath. So that there's a reasonable height. Now we're just gonna slide our jack stand right underneath. Just put it in a spot that it's gonna fall on the jack or the jack stand if the jack fails for whatever reason. Don't put it on somewhere like your sway bar or something stupid like your oil pan. Like put it somewhere like the frame rail or your control arm or subframe or something like that. Do not try to peel this thing off or pry it off or lift it off or something. Like, this is not the way to get into the hood if the hood is stuck. Come underneath, right underneath the front bumper. And you'll see inside of here, right inside there, there's a little lever. What you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna stick your pry bar in there. Just pry the little lever and it's gonna pop the hood open. Sometimes it wants to get stuck. And so what I do if it's stuck is I just place my foot right here on the Audi logo. I'll just kind of not push it, but just kind of help it like pop when it's, and keep it open. To like have it stay open. You want that thing pushed in, by the way. There's the belt right there, and there's the fans right there. You want to take your pry bar or whatever tool you have there. You want to go right up into that spot right there, right up into that lever, snug it in there. If it's really stuck, it's going to take a little bit of force to get that thing pried open, but just like that, you can kind of try to wiggle it back and forth. If it is stuck, if it's super stuck, go ahead and spray some WD-40 in there. But you just want to go like this and pry it. Sometimes it's easy, sometimes it's not. I don't know if you can see that move. That there is what's gonna get it open. And there you go. Now my hood's open. So just like that, then you can lift it up. And there you go. Now I'm into my hood. I didn't have to break anything. I didn't have to peel anything off. I didn't have to do anything like that. So what you're looking for is this little device right there. You can either go inside of it if you have like an Allen key or some kind of like L tool or something that has an angle on it. You can go inside, you can grab that clip and you can pull it down. Or, which is easier, you go from the bottom, you move this little lever right there, and then that will move this mechanism and will open the hood latch. So there you go. That's how you open the hood of a 2003 Audi A4 without breaking anything. Thanks for watching, guys. If you want more videos like this, then let me know down in the comments below, and then I can do whatever it is that you guys want to see. This car right now, it's currently broken, so I'm gonna be doing some more work on it. So if you guys do like this stuff, I know these motors inside and out, so if you have any questions down below, just let me know. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you're interested, and let me know what you thought of this. Let me know if this helped you out. If it helped you out, this is the reason that I make videos, is because I just want to help out hopefully a handful of people that are having the same problem that I used to have. So thanks for watching.